I'm Brent, the Chief Experience Officer at Brentwood Livery, and I'm here responsible for your unforgettable experience. Today, I'm answering the frequently asked question of, how do you prepare for the unexpected? I think the question is directed to us. There's some things we can't control, like weather. Our experienced, meticulously trained chauffeurs know how to make the best of all situations. Whether it's an umbrella, snow, you name it, we've seen it. But there's two other things that are probably you don't think about when you're hiring a limousine company. We hire humans and we operate mechanical equipment. Unfortunately, one of those is bound to fail. Sounds strange, but we have to be prepared for the unexpected. What if a chauffeur gets sick and can't complete the assignment? What if a vehicle has a mechanical failure, or the day before it gets taken out and in an accident of some sort and can't provide the service to you? At the end of the day, the company you choose needs to have a proactive plan for replacing the vehicle that was guaranteed to you with a deposit so that you get the wedding day and the experience you deserve. Ultimately, it comes down to the company having a backup plan. Choosing a company with a large fleet and great relationships in the community can definitely help when planning for the unexpected. For more questions, visit our website at brentwoodlivery.ca.